So how long was this movie anyway? Jeez. I watched Believe from 9 to 10. And then I got ready for bed fairly quickly. There were previews, but I watched the whole movie and didn't get up and didn't pause it, didn't go to the bathroom, didn't do anything, because unfortunately his DVD player, I don't know how to stop it or pause it or rewind it, neither does he, unfortunately, because, you know, it makes you not really want to watch too many movies on DVD with, you know, because the whole point of having a DVD is so you can get up and eat or go to the bathroom or do this or that, you know. But he apparently got it as a present, and I don't know, I want to figure out how to use it because it has a remote control and there's got to be some way to... Last time he was trying all the buttons, and we kept having to start the movie over again. We were watching Thanks for Sharing, and it was just... finally, I was like, he couldn't figure it out, so I don't know. But, so I watched Wolf of Wall Street. It's foreign to me. I can't even imagine engaging in that much debauchery, you know, the way that they did with the drugs and the women, and unbelievable. It's foreign to me, admittedly, you know. It was interesting. It's definitely interesting. I was supposed to have seen it in the theater with this 20-something-year-old hottie, but when everything happened with my mom, I decided I just didn't want to go through the bullshit of you know, pretending or whatnot, and I just didn't want to go through the bullshit. That the hottie was gonna go to I would have paid for it, and he was gonna pretend he was my boyfriend, you know, and per our agreement, probably he would have rubbed my shoulders and back during the movie. Maybe I would have leaned against him, you know, just... Oh, this happened with my mom, and I just didn't even feel like pretending. So I told him the truth, and then I never heard from him again. Surprise, surprise. Don't care. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Well, I actually do care, but... that's the way it goes. 3 o'clock in the morning, I didn't know that movie. I'm gonna check today when I get up on Google, but the movie had to have been like 3 hours long. Had to have been. Had to have. I'll find out. I don't know. I know it was a fucking long movie. I never paused it or anything. Never got up to the bathroom, nothing, and it was over, and I looked at the time, and it's after 2. Are you kidding me? Oh, I hope it's nice out today. I hope it's nice out today, Homer. Mama wants to get sneakers. Mama wants to go to the mall. It's more than the mall in the rain. According to the news, it is supposed to be nice, and I thought it was going to rain, but it says it's not supposed to rain till the night time. So supposed to be really nice out. I'm supposed to fast today. Ate a lot yesterday, but nothing, not like ice cream and cookies and stuff. I probably really, overall, didn't really eat that much because I didn't eat all day. I only drank the Steel Reserve and then that lemonade 4 thing. So instead of spreading it out through the day, I didn't eat till the late afternoon. Overall, I mean, I didn't eat that. It's time for bed. Wolf of Wall Street. Definitely worth $1.28. Just about any movie's worth $1.28. You can pay $1.28 for a candy bar. Interesting movie. Just as an aside, I don't feel bad for the women who get involved, marry these types of men, because they know ahead of time what they're getting into. They do. So I don't feel bad for them that they get cheated on or whatnot. They know what kind of men they're getting involved with. They know. They love the money. They love the money. Weird.